Good evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
Today, as you all know, we have assembled out here to celebrate speaking skill practice, and the topic is Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami, as we know, is a very famous festival of the Hindus, and it is celebrated not only in India but also all over the world where the Hindus are living in manatees. So Krishna Janmashtami, it is the day on where the Lord Krishna was born in Mathura. Now, though it is celebrated in all over the world, but in Vrindavan, Mathura and Barsana, it is celebrated in a very great style. So children, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishabh, stand up and express your views on Krishna Janmashtami.
Good evening, sir, my dear friends. I am Mr. Kumar Srivastava, a student of class 11, standing here to express my views on the given topic.
Stand properly.
My topic is Janmashtami. Janmashtami is the festival which is celebrated in India with very great form and show. It is the festival on which, when Lord Krishna was born. He was born in prison, and the city is Mathura. His father's name was Vasudev and his mother's name was Devki. He was one of the greatest god and who played a great role in Mahabharata. Also, it is celebrated usually in the month of August, and this year it is celebrated on 26 August 2024. On this day, people worship Lord Krishna and also worship them at 12 a.m. in the night, and many people take fast, and when they worship Lord Krishna, they break their fast. On this day, many people also went to the temple of Lord Krishna and worship for their family well-being. So in the last, I want to say that thank you, sir, for giving me such a wonderful topic.
Okay, God bless. Now, Rishabh spoke well. Now, children, as you know, Lord Krishna, when he was as a child, he did many mischievous things in his life, and that was sometimes people got angry with him, and sometimes the people liked his mischiefs. Most of the time, Lord Krishna shows his power in the society. Like when the Kalyana, he was disturbing the children, those who were playing in the water in Yamuna river. So that snake, Kalyana, was killed by Lord Krishna. Even the Govardhan Parvat was raised by Lord Krishna only on his one finger, on his little hand, little finger. So Lord Krishna, many times he shows his power among the people, and as we all know that his uncle Kans, his maternal uncle Kans, he was very cruel. He kidnapped his parents, Devki and Vasudeva, and kept them prison for a long time. And Lord Krishna, when he became adult, he killed his maternal uncle Kans. So there are many stories regarding Lord Krishna, and he was incarnation of Lord Vishnu. So people keep on that day in the houses, the jhakis were all decorated with Lord Krishna for praise, to worship Lord Krishna, and the fast was broken at Janmashtami when his birth ceremony was celebrated by the people. So after this, Avni is going to express her views on Janmashtami.
Good evening, sir, my dear friends. My name is Anubhav, student of class 8. Today I am going to give my speech on the event of the Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is one of the most famous festivals of Hindus. It is celebrated as the birth of Sri Krishna. It is celebrated at 12 a.m. of night. In this festival, many people give fast for Lord Krishna. After celebrating the birthday of Sri Krishna, all people break their fast by eating something. Before Janmashtami, my family and me go for shopping and buy very beautiful things for Lord Krishna. My family and we celebrate this festival with joy and happiness. Thank you so for giving us such a wonderful topic.
Okay, God bless you all. Well done. Now after this, Akshat Patel is ready. Okay, no mind. Good. No, then Pranjali Singh is going to deliver her speech on Krishna Janmashtami.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. I am Pranjali Singh, a student of class 9C. Today I am standing here to deliver my views on the given topic, that is Janmashtami. In India, there are lots of festivals are celebrated by the people like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Eid, Bakrid, and many more. Janmashtami is also one of them. On this day, it is believed that Lord Krishna was born at Mathura in India. On this day, people keep fast and go to the temples and pray to Lord Krishna for his blessing for them, their families and friends also. On this day, people organize dahi handi competition, dancing competition, singing competition, bhandara and many more things. People wear new clothes, ladies cook delicious foods and many more things for the family. Lord Krishna likes to eat makhan a lot. He also defeated the evil king Kans. In this year, we will celebrate Janmashtami on 26th August. So, in the last, I want to say that I personally like to celebrate this festival very much. Thank you, sir, for giving me such a wonderful topic.
Okay, God bless. Now, through this video, people can see that the children here in some class, they all are very children, and of you watching, you check every topic has most the topic on the fest, and if the are not the topics based on current affairs, the problem is the issue. So, since I have been involved in teaching for 30 years, so it has been always come in my notice that in the English medium schools, only the few children, we can count them in the fingers, only they are able to speak in English. For this purpose, Somya Coaching English classes has been started. Children out here, not only the literature or the language, but their speaking power must be developed. And personally, when we meet someone, some strangers or some officers or some leaders, there nobody is going to see our degree. Nobody is going to see our mark sheets. Only how we talk to the person, how we converse the person, it is the most important thing. And if the person is talking in English, and as being students of an English medium school, and if we are unable to speak few lines with the stranger, with the officer, with the third person, then that is very disgusting. So for this purpose, out here in Somya English classes, we as a teacher, Pradeep sir, I give a lot of emphasis on the speaking, because these children, those who are here in Balrampur, after class 12 they go to Kota or Delhi or other big cities where the lectures in medical or in engineering, where the teachers give their lectures in English. So as a subject, it may be that after class 12, English as a subject is dropped, but as a language it will follow the children through their life, through till death. A good doctor, a good lawyer, a good leader, and of course a good teacher, his English must be good. So for this purpose we are focusing the children for speaking, and I'm very proud to say that I'm getting the success also out here. Children are, of course, they are very good. Now after this, Ananya Patel is going to deliver her speech.
Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. I am Ananya Patel and I am a student of class 8C. Today I am going to speak a few lines on given topic, that is Janmashtami. There are many festivals that celebrated in India like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami and many more festivals. Festival have its own value. They comes with lots of happiness. Janmashtami is one of the most famous festival in India. It is celebrated in all over the India. It is celebrated in all over the India. It falls mostly in the month of August. On this day, people do fast and wear new clothes. At night, people celebrate Lord Krishna's birth and do aarti, then distribute the prasad among the peoples. Children play dramas of Lord Krishna's story, and people do more fun on this day. So in the last, I would like to say that Janmashtami is the famous festival and it is also the unique festival. Thank you so much. This is Javanti.
Okay, God bless you, Ananya. Now after this, Athar Dubey is going to deliver his speech on Krishna Janmashtami.
Dear friend, my name is Abdul, I'm a student of class 6C. Today I am going to speak given topic, that is Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a festival that is celebrated in all over in the birth of Lord Shiva. This day is celebrated in usually in the month of August.
Beta, louder.
August, he is a collection of Lord Shiva. This festival is celebrated with joyfully and happiness. This is one of the most famous festival of our Hindus. Thank you, sir, for giving me such a wonderful topic.
Okay, well spoke. Athar Dubey spoke very well. God bless him. Now after this, Anamka is going to deliver her speech on Janmashtami.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Anamka Vishwa, student of class 8C. Today I am going to speak two lines on the given topic, that is Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a festival that is celebrated when the Lord Krishna was born. Lord Krishna was the eighth incarnation of God Vishnu. This festival is celebrated at the midnight, so the temples are crowded at the midnight. The main reason behind its celebration is at midnight because Lord Krishna was born in the dark and cloudy night. Lord Krishna was the eighth son of Mata Devaki and Vasudev. His father Vasudev gave him his friend Nand for save him from the curse. On this occasion, a ritual game that is known as Dahi Handi is played by breaking an earthen pot filled with curd, which is hanged high above the ground. On this festival, temples and houses are beautifully decorated with lights and flowers. At the last, I want to say that you can celebrate this festival wholeheartedly. Thank you so much.
Okay, well done. Now, people can see and observe that now Anamka Kashyap is a new child of this coaching, but still, since she studies in a very good renowned school in Balrampur, so within a short practice, she has spoken very well. So God bless her, Anamka. It has been seen that in the starting people, the children hesitate. They know the matter, but due to the hesitation, they feel embarrassment to deliver their speech. So every child has got a talent, and the talent is filled in the children. It is only to be brave. It is only for us to deliver or sell in a very fantastic manner. Now after this, is
Sir, my dear, my name is Francis, student of class 7 today we will see the event on the event topic. Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a famous festival of the Hindus. It is also known as Krishna Ashtami or Gokul Ashtami. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was born in Mathura. Lord Krishna was the eighth incarnation of the Lord Vishnu. Lord Krishna was killed the evil king Kansa. On this day, people with this festival with fasting and doing puja at midnight, or people doing Lord Krishna and buy idols of Bal Krishna and worship him. The Dahi Handi competition is organized all over the country. Praise, joy and happiness will last until the date. Thank you for coming.
okay, God bless you. Now after this, Lekha Vikram is going to deliver her speech on Krishna Janmashtami.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. I am Lekha Vikram, a student of class 8B, and today I am standing here to speak a few lines on the given topic, that is Janmashtami. India is a country of festival, and every festival is celebrated here with great pomp and show. There are many festivals celebrated here like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dashera, Janmashtami, and many more. For each festival is celebrated with great pomp and show. Janmashtami is one of the most famous festivals of India. Janmashtami, also known as Shri Krishna Janmashtami, is a famous Hindu festival of India. It is celebrated because on this day Lord Krishna, the eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, was born in Mathura, in India. It is celebrated on the 8th day of Krishna Paksha of the Hindu month Bhadra. It is celebrated with great devotion, pomp and show. In India, it is celebrated with great pomp and show and devotion in India. In the morning, people do Dahi Handi celebration, in which a person climbs up the human pyramid to break the earth and earthen pot with makhan, which is hung high in the air. In the evening, people decorate their puja and beautifully for Lord Krishna and also decorate the idols of Lord Krishna. At 12 o'clock, people celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna and offer him his favorite makhan and mishri. I also like to celebrate this festival very much. At last, I just want to say that we should celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm and love. Thank you, sir, for giving me such a wonderful topic.
Okay, well done, Lekha. Now here I would like to tell that Lekha Vikram is not only good in speaking, she is also good in academic also, and most of the classes from nursery she is topping the class in her life. So God bless her, and the children, of course, as it is has told that the child is the future of the country. So of course the children, when they become adult or when they go up, achieve the higher education, then of course they will make a good country. Now after this, Aradhya is going to deliver her speech.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Shravya Mishra. I am a student of class 8B. Going to deliver my speech on the living topic.
You remove the
Janmashtami.
change.
India is known as a festival. We celebrate many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Muharram, and Janmashtami. Janmashtami is one of them. This festival is most important for the Hindus. Janmashtami, a festival dedicated to Lord Krishna's birthday, who is the avatar of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu appeared as the Lord Krishna to kill the guns and establish the goodness to avoid evils from the society. In Mathura, people celebrate this festival with the Vrindavan and Barsana and many other states also cities are celebrated this festival with the great joy, happiness, and fun. Many people dress up their children like Radha Krishna for jhatis and puja. Many people and devotees perform puja. In my home, I celebrate this festival with the great joy and happiness. My dad and me go shopping before the Janmashtami for the laddu are beautiful dresses and colorful dresses we buy. My mom and me cook delicious foods for the laddu and Radha Rani. In the last, I have to say that Krishna Janmashtami is my favorite festival and I celebrate this festival with the great joy and happiness. Thank you, sir, for giving me such a wonderful.
Okay, well done, Aradhya. Now, those who are watching this video can see that Aradhya. Now, this is the third month going on when Aradhya has joined these classes. But of course, there is a good response of her speaking and academic progresses. So after this, now Niharika Singh is going to deliver her speech on Krishna Janmashtami.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Niharika Singh. I study in class 7th. I am going to speak a few lines on the given topic, that is Janmashtami. Janmashtami is one of the most important festivals of the Hindus, which is celebrated in India and other countries. It is also known as the birthday of Lord Krishna. On this day, all the food like delicious food and sweets. It is also celebrated in my home. According to the Hindu calendar, it is celebrated in the month of Bhadrapad at Ashtami Tithi of Krishna Paksh. On this day, Lord Krishna was born at Mathura in India. On this day, many persons keep fast for Lord Krishna. It is celebrated in Mathura with great joy and happiness, and many persons do dance and also sing very beautiful songs for Lord Krishna. On this day, we go to the market and buy the idol of Lord Krishna and decorate it very well. It is celebrated in my area with great pomp and show. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful topic.
Well done, Niharika Singh. Now, at this moment, I feel extremely proud to see the children. They are so well versed, so speaking so well. And truly, when I was the child like them, I myself could not speak so well. Because that time, only the literature and the grammar has been taught in the school and in the coaching. So, I feel I do not feel embarrassment or do not feel insult to say that when I was a child, like these children, like Niharika Singh's age or other children, I myself could not deliver a good, because in UP board the children are not prepared so well. So the children are very lucky, and the children, of course, if they maintain this kind of fluency, of course they will do a very good thing, a very good achievement in their life. God bless such kind of children. Now after this, Anurag is going to deliver his speech.
Good evening, sir, my dear friends. I am Anubhav Yadav, student of class 10th. I am going to speak that is Janmashtami. In our country, we celebrate various types of festivals such as Holi, Diwali, Dasara, Durga Puja, etc. It is a very important festival in India. It is celebrated by Hindus in all over the world. It was born in Mathura. Lord Krishna was the most powerful incarnation of Lord Vishnu. I like to celebrate Janmashtami with keeping fast. It is my favorite festival. On this day, Dahi Handi competition is also organized in all over the country. Thank you, sir, for giving such a wonderful.
Okay, God bless you, Anubhav. Now after this, Aparna will deliver her speech on Krishna.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. I am Aparna. So today I am going to speak a few lines. That is Janmashtami. Janmashtami is the most important festival of the Hindus. It is celebrated with great pomp and show. On this day, many people keep fast for Lord Krishna. On this day, Lord Krishna was born in Mathura. On this day, all ladies cook delicious food for us. It is celebrated in the month of Krishna Paksh. It is celebrated every year. celebrate Janmashtami and show and with peace and brotherhood. Thank you for doing.
Okay, God bless you, Aparna. After this, Akshat Patel is going to deliver his speech on Janmashtami.
Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. My name is Akshat Patel, and I was in the class 4th. Today, I am going to fly on giving topic that is Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is a Hindu festival. Krishna Janmashtami is also called Janmashtami or Gokul Ashtami. Gokul Ashtami. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu. Lord Krishna was born on Gokul. People celebrate this festival with joy and happiness. So at last, I want to say that my favorite festival is Janmashtami. Thank you, sir, for giving me such a beautiful topic.
Okay, God bless you, Akshat. Now, we also feel proud to be an Indian because India is the country where so many gods have taken birth and they lived their life as an ordinary human being. Lord Rama, he never shows his power. If he shows his power, then in one day he went to Lanka and takes Sita back from there. Only within 1 hour. But Lord Rama, he never shows his power that he is an incarnation of God. Like a normal human being, he struggled and after 1 year he reached Lanka, and then after a great battle he defeated the Ravan, the king of Lanka. So India, we are very lucky to be a citizen of India, that so many gods have taken birth out here. So our motherland is very pious for us. That's why हम भारत को भारत माता कहते हैं. Why? Because India is the only country where such kind of emotions are created. No America Mata, no Pakistan Mata. It is only India where people say Bharat Mata. So it is as a citizen or as a student, it is our also duty. Besides the duties for the families, we have a responsibility for the country also. And by our studies, by being a good scientist, by being a good doctor in future, by being a good engineer or by being an administrator, we can do a lot of things for the country.